Good morning, guys. It is Saturday and we are in the car headed into town because Chase's back window like fell yesterday on the way home and a part broke, and we found the part that we can go pick up to have it fixed, but they're holding it for us because we found a good deal. And so we love to keep these home chef smoothies just in the refrigerator because it takes what, less than 5 minutes to make.
Exactly, real
and
quick.
This is just one like serving and it feeds all three of us.
We've all got our cups today. They're good. It's got raspberries, blueberries, strawberries.
It's a quick little meal if you guys are on the go. Even at home, me and Savannah will eat it like with the banana for breakfast. I am not a breakfast person at all. I either skip it or eat something really light. So I feel like, especially now that I'm working and need more energy, these are just a good way to start the day.
Yeah, so we buy our meals and these are just an add-on option. It's like $4.95 is all that it is to add it on to the meals. But
I can't imagine if it's just like one person, like you would have a
yeah,
ton.
It was 2 servings.
It's 2 servings, but it does all 3 of us. So we're gonna head into town. We can tell.
I got the part.
Good. While we're right here, I had asked you guys if I should replace like my garage lights and stuff, and I think everybody agreed I need like big black lights on our garage, and we're right by a lighting store. They're just for like builders, but anybody can go in there and buy, but they have really good prices, but you just can't return them. So unless there's something wrong with them, then you can, but you're just not allowed to return it. But I thought I'd go in there and look around to see if there's any that I want to save up for or something. So I'll take you guys in there with us. We're back home now. The last clip you guys just saw was the lighting. We're leaning towards those like gooseneck ones, but we're gonna wait and see if others come into stock. Now we are going to make lunch, and I want to thank Home Chef for sponsoring this video. They reached out to me and they have all these cool meals. You guys know I do not love cooking, but they're all these like super like quick and fast meals. So for breakfast we had that smoothie, and for lunch it takes 5 to 10 minutes for prep and cook time, and it's called barbecue chicken and cheddar wrap. So this is what we're gonna make for lunch because it's fast, it's easy, and the prices are great compared to like other sites like this. So we're gonna get to making this real quick.
When we
Okay guys, this is amazing. And this is so quick to do. I have a hard time finding lunches, and so we end up eating out, and I hate spending money. I hate that it's not healthy. So I love that I can just make it that quick for me and Savannah, or me and Chase, and we don't have to get out and go into town. I'll put my link down below in my description box, and you guys get $30 off your first purchase. And oh my gosh, get this one. It was the barbecue chicken cheddar wrap. It is so good. It would even be good for dinner. Like, oh, yeah. It is so much food. And this was a serving of 2. Yep. But it was great. So definitely check that link down below in my description box.
I'm letting you do all the talking because I'm eating.
Oh, so good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's so good. So good.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep. And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out, louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder.
Okay guys, it has been a long day. We're exhausted. Savannah swam, and Chase actually washed my car for me, so it's all nice. And I cleaned out the inside. I didn't show any of that. It was just kind of hot, so we were working on it. But like the back of my chair, I don't know if Savannah kicked it or what, but like fell off, so we're gonna have to buy a new part for that. So I don't know, all of a sudden our cars are falling apart, but I think it'll be an easy fix. We just gotta find the part so Chase can work on it. I think it's a little after 5, and we are early eaters around here. We eat early dinner because then we like to snack one more time before bed. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on dinner.
You are just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say.
Okay guys, here is how it turned out, and it is the summer shrimp fettuccine, and it looks amazing. And I made me a small plate. I swear these meals make plenty for us 3. Chase gets like a big portion, and then me and Savannah split the other, and we have plenty of food. So definitely click on my link down below in my description box for $30 off your order, because these meals have been amazing today. You guys should definitely try them out. So we just finished eating and it was delicious. Savannah wanted more shrimp. She could go through like a whole bowl just herself.
Yeah, she went through some of mine.
Yeah, she ate some of Chase's. And now what are you doing?
Making a sundae.
Yep, she's making dessert.
I can't believe someone like me is here with somebody like you. There's something about you and I know why. I'm gonna tell you what it is. It's in your smile and in your feet. It's high and low and in between. And I am glad to let you know, but only if you give me a kiss. Yeah, it's no secret at all. It's so obvious to all of us. Yeah, you're perfect. From the way you laugh to the way you behave when you're mad, so perfect. When I see you dance, spin my world around and around. Ooh, I know that you're worth it. Ooh.
Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Chase is over practicing cornhole and playing with the neighbors, and Savannah's just riding her bike, and I just finished up watering and I'm so hot and sticky and sweaty. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We go out, it's always fun. You pick me up when I'm down.